안녕하세요. 리빙 분야에서 위빙 소품을 만드는 블루아워 이상희입니다. 저는 평소에 꿈꾸는 집 채널의 애청자인데요. 이번에 구독자 이벤트로 집에서 보내는 즐거운 시간이란 주제로 예쁜 굿즈 제작을 제안해 주셔서 기쁜 마음으로 콜라보하게 되었습니다. 집의 분위기를 바꿀 수 있는 가장 손쉬운 방법이 무엇일까 생각을 하다 패브릭 포스터를 제작하기로 했는데요. 주제에 맞는 5가지의 즐거운 시간들을 떠올려 따뜻한 계절의 색감과 비정형화된 도형들을 담아 디자인하였습니다. 영상 마지막에 구독자분들을 위한 퍼드리는 이벤트가 준비되어 있으니 꼭 끝까지 시청하셔서 예쁜 집 꾸미시는 데 도움이 되셨으면 좋겠습니다.
Another guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you only see in a novel. I wasn't waiting for some shiny unicorn. I'm nothing around and then you don't. But all of a sudden you're the hero of my story. I celebrate the love and only to me glory. I still remember the way this whole thing started. I was walking down the city, feeling down and broken hearted. But then I guess all roads lead to Rome. A fool from collision on my way home. I cut a corner, down we hit and crash. The crash has been the first and hasn't been the last, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is the boat. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is looking like we're crazy people just escaping from lonely. Sometimes I feel that you are from another planet. The way you attract these more disasters like a magnet. And I don't know if you are from outer space, but I can tell you, girl, I'm enjoying the race. Because I knew when we hit and crashed, my crazy love circus was here at last. This is romantic in a very funny way. I know our kind of love is the one made to stay, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is a bore. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is looking like we're crazy people just escaping from the lonely. The way that you talk, the way that you move, you make fun of me while I make fun of you. But we always fit, precise as a glove. I really enjoy a different kind of love. Oh, oh, a different